Now let's fix this problem. Sometimes when we press on the chick for the chick to jump, sometimes when you press on the chick for the chick to jump over the egg, sometimes it touches the egg and it just gets frozen like they're in the air. So let's try fixing this problem. Now, for us to fix this problem, we are going to put a starting position for this chick. So as I said, we will put a starting position for this chick to start when we start the game. So we will go to the motions category again, and first we will place our chick where we want it to start. So I'm gonna put my chick over here, and then we will choose the go to X and Y block. Make sure you're on the chick. Make sure you're not on the egg. Make sure you're on the chick. Okay, so now we added the starting position of the chick. Now we want this to happen also when the green flag is clicked. Now let's try it out. So suppose this gets stuck here. Now we'll press again on this. There you go. Okay, so now we're done with step number 3. Now let's move on to step number 4. So step number 4 will make our game even more fun and more exciting, which is to add more obstacles. Okay, so this step is really easier than you thought. So basically what you're going to be doing is you will right click on this egg and then you will press on duplicate. And now we have another egg with the exact same code as the other one. Now you might be thinking, wait, is that it? Well, let's see. Wait, hold on. Where's the other egg? Well, since it has the same code, they're right on top of each other. So we can fix this problem really easily. So what we'll do is we'll go to the looks over here and we'll scroll down until we see something that's called hide, this block that says hide, and we will put it over here. And then we will go to the control and then we'll put wait 1 second, and then we're going to go back to looks, and this time we will put show. This time we'll put show. So why did I add these 3 blocks? Because then this egg, since they start at the same point, this egg will hide and it will wait 1 second. It won't start directly. It will wait 1 second, and while it's waiting 1 second, it will hide, and then after it waits 1 second, it will show again. Okay, so now let's try it out. Let's see if it worked. Yes, it worked. As you can see here, there's now space between the two, and you can tell the difference between these two. Great. Now let's move on to step number 5, which is keep score. So we'll be doing step number 5, which is keep score. We'll add a score so the player, which is in this case me, earns the points. Okay, so we keep score by making a variable. If you didn't know that in Scratch, a variable helps you to keep track of points or anything like that. So let's make a variable over here. We will call it score. We'll call it score, and then we'll press on OK. So now it pops up over here, the score. Now, how are we supposed to add the points and decrease the points and do all of this stuff? Okay, so we do that by choosing this block over here, which says change my variable by 1. We'll just press on the check first, and then we will take this block, but we will change my variable to score, because that's the variable we made. So we will change the score by 1 each time it jumps on it. So let's try it out. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it again. Okay, so here my score was 3. But we need to, after we start it again, after we press on the green flag again, we want this to update again to 0, because we don't want to keep continuing it with 3. So we will take this block that says set my variable to 0. Okay, so we set when we want to restart it again, so, and we want it to be 0, we will choose this set my variable to 0 and we'll put it over here. But again, we'll change my variable to score, because that's the one we are working on right now. So this means that when I press on the green flag, it will set the score to 0 at first, and then each time the chick jumps over the eggs, then it will change the score by 1. And then if we lose, the whole thing, if we lose, the game stops, right? And then we want to play it again, so we press on the green flag again. The score restarts. The score becomes set again to 0. So let's try it out. Okay. Perfect. And now let's start it again. You see it changed from 8 to 0. And there you have it. That's how you make a jumping game on Scratch. You can put any types of other obstacles or any other character or any other backdrop. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye!